Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the IT infrastructure and technical support. Let's get started. In a freight forwarding company, the IT department is essential for keeping all operational activities running efficiently. Every shipment, document, and communication relies on stable system, secure network, and responsive technical support. IT ensures that export-import processes, warehouse operations, tracking coordination, and customer service are supported by reliable technology and updated digital tools. Beyond daily maintenance, the IT team also manage cloud system, protects company data, develop simple web tools, maintains databases, and communicates with vendors for technical needs. These responsibilities help the company operate smoothly, reduce downtime, and maintain accuracy in handling shipment and customer information. So, if you have a freight forwarding company, you need this team IT because this team IT is very important position in your country. If you don't have IT support, so you will get many problems in the next days. In here, I will show you about the item or job desk in IT infrastructure and technical support. In here, I have each item starting from network and server administration until vendor coordination and technical communication. Okay, let's go to network and server administration. In here, the first I will give you the term of each disk. After that, I will give you more example each of these. Okay, starting from network and server administration. The function to or the job desk to manage the company's network and keep all server running smoothly. Okay, server. You can see in here, this is rack and the function to for a server. Okay, you can imagine in your company has server and many devices in this rack. For example, router, switch, or anything devices. All of these devices will be saved in rack, and the function or the job desk of network and server administration to make sure all of this network, okay, can be running smoothly. Okay, I hope you know about the term router, switch, or anything, and all of this has relation with network and server administration. Next, go to IT troubleshooting or troubleshooting IT. The job desk to solve hardware, software, or connection problem when they happen. Okay, troubleshooting IT. All these people always stand by if accident happen. For example, the laptop suddenly shut down or we didn't get wireless or anything. Okay, these people will get information from employee and then will forward to people who handle that. Okay, next go to IT support and user handling. The function to assist user and guide them when they face IT issues. It means if any accident and this IT support will give information why this accident can happen and how to solve this. Okay, and these people will give awareness IT to employee to protect if next time this cyber attack coming. Next, go to cybersecurity basic. The function to protect company system and data from security threats. You can see in here the data in company is very important, so the IT team will keep this data securely. Next, go to web development, for example, HTML, CSS, PHP, WordPress. It means IT system will build and customize simple website and company pages. So information of the company will be stored in website so user or customer can access through online. Next, database MySQL. In here I didn't create image of this database MySQL, but I will give you explanation what does it mean. Database MySQL team IT will manage company database and ensure data is accurate and accessible. All data in company will be saved on database and make sure all of employee can access this data suitable with their role. Okay, next go to vendor coordination and technical communication. Team IT communicate with vendor and document all technical activities. It means these all devices we buy from vendor. Okay, network, cloud, or anything we buy this from vendor. If anything happen or problem happen into your company, so we need communicate to this vendor why this accident happened and how to solve this problem. Okay, so we need to communicate to vendor. Okay, all of this H items, those are job desk of IT team. After you understand about the term of each niche, I will give you the real example in freight forwarding company, network and server administration. The function to manage the operational system server used for export or import processing and shipment tracking. Okay, managing the operational system server. This server used for export or import processing and shipment tracking. The server has many functions, and one of these to save all data. Configuring network access for export, import, warehouse, tracking, and finance teams. And this server using network to connect other division, for example, connecting to warehouse, tracking, finance team, using cable or using internet. Next, setting up VLANs, for example, separating warehouse, customer service, and finance network for security. Okay, every line it has a different division. For example, line this for warehouse, line this for this line for finance and extra. Connecting the head office and warehouse using VPN. Okay, using VPN to make this network safely, securely. Next, troubleshooting IT. For example, customer service export staff cannot print a bill of lading, so IT fixed the printer or driver issue. Okay, if any problem from employer about the problem of printer, so team IT will solve this problem. Next example, tracking staff cannot access the system to input container number. IT will check IP configuration or server access. Okay, if any staff cannot input data to database, so team IT will check this problem. Next example, the manifest system becomes slow. IT checks server performance or database load. Okay, IT team will get issue from employer and then solving this problem soon. Next, the example for IT support and user handling. For example, import staff cannot log in to the freight management system. Okay, maybe this employee forget the password and then the team IT will reset this password. Example, explaining to warehouse staff how to use barcode scanner for inbound or outbound process. Okay, IT team will give information to employer if they didn't know about to scan barcode for inbound or outbound processes. Next, go to cloud system and virtual machine, or in here, cloud system and virtual machine. Running the company's warehouse management system on a cloud VPS. Okay, warehouse management system. Creating virtual machine for finance software like ERP or accounting application, cloud system, and virtual machine basic. Hosting tracking data on cloud server so branches can access it in real time. Next, go to cybersecurity. For example, protecting sensitive data like shipper or concern information, BL numbers, and invoices. Okay, protecting sensitive data. Next, example, blocking dangerous website in the office network. Maybe the virus are already in this website, so we need to block this website. Make sure your network in your office can be running secure. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for export or import system access. Okay, and then preventing ransomware attack that could encrypt or delete BL, DO, or invoice files. Next, go to website development. The real example, developing a simple shipment tracking page, enter BL number, so shipment status, where the shipment now position, creating the company's corporate website, and it means your customer can see detailed information about your company, building online form for booking cargo pickup. If your customer want to booking, they can insert their request through your website, integrating shipping line APIs to automatically update container tracking data. Your customer can access through your website and they can see where the position container or where the position their goods customer. Database may SQL, for example, for storing shipment data such as BL number, container number, vessel name, and extra. Managing a tracking schedule or daily loading plan database, making up company's VMS or operational system database, and extra. Next, go to the last one, vendor coordination and technical communication. For example, contacting the ASP business, CBN, IndiHome, or extra when the office internet is down. Coordinating with the WMS software vendor to fix bugs in the inbound module and extra. I think enough for this explanation. If you have if you have a question about this, you can comment on this below video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.